Hi there, it's me, Mr. James, and welcome to this first ever video on Global Thursdays. It's been a journey, and now this is the launch of Global Thursday, so welcome everyone. This is a very kind of low budget production at the moment, but hopefully if the videos end up being successful enough, I will upgrade my whole production set. Welcome. This is a cooking channel. I can't believe I'm doing a cooking channel. It's not something that I grew up loving or having this passion for, but I love global cultures, and I love that there's cuisines from all over the world. And I love not just doing like really kind of simple dishes, but exploring food and different kinds of styles and in a really easy format, I feel like. So this whole channel is going to be really revolutionary. It's cooking, but in a really different way for YouTube. A lot of the times you get really short videos, which I totally get. Look, I totally get. You get a highlights video, but this is going to be something really different. I feel like people want to see videos in real time as well. So if you're a big fan of slow TV, which I am, then this is the channel for you. So what we're going to be doing is doing real-time slow TV style videos where we cook together. So you can watch this either live, comment live, or you can watch this back as a full and just cook with me. Tell me how you're going. You will go at my speed, and I must say you're going to learn that I am quite a slow cook. So give yourself some time. You might want to like do other stuff while we get around to what if you've already got up to where I'm up to. But anyway, I'm really excited. This is really something special. I'm just going to explain the process, but on Fridays, you're going to get a poll on the story section of my YouTube channel, and you can vote for which of the 3 meals we end up cooking at the end of the next week. On Monday, I'm going to be doing a video where I let you know all the preparation for the meal and the ingredients that come with it. So you can kind of spend the rest of the week purchasing the ingredients and everything like that ready to go for when we do the video. And that's going to be on Thursday evenings in Australia kind of area, Asia. If you're in the United States, it's going to be late Wednesday evening, early Thursday, like midnight. And it's going to be Thursday mornings, like around Europe, Africa time. So anyway, I'll just get right to it because that was a really long thing. I might say that on another video, but we'll see. So anyway, this video, we are talking about the preparation involved for the Japanese teriyaki chicken and broccoli stir fry, which is really exciting, which is what I did a vote on my Facebook page for the first time because no one's going to vote this time because no one knows of my channel yet. I get these recipes from other places. I am not a foodie. And so I'm just, people like really good meal. I feel like my only skill is that like I look at the best, like I decide meals that I find interesting to cook, but I don't actually make the meals up. So there'll be a link down below where you can actually buy the book set this recipes under if you want to have the book and look at more and you're inspired and you really like the meal. But these are the ingredients you need, and it is 1 clove of garlic. So you'll need to get a garlic and have a clove of it, and that will be crushed. So you might want to do all this before the video begins, the live video. The next one is 1 tablespoon of honey, which is here. So a tablespoon, you know what honey looks like. And the next one is 1.5 teaspoons of fresh ginger, finely grated. So there's ginger, and you can use a grater like this. And you grate like that. I kind of just keep the skin on with that. I don't know. If you want to cut it, you can. The next one is 1 kilo of chicken thigh fillets cut into bite-sized pieces. I haven't cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces, but this is what a chicken thigh fillet looks like. It's a slimy one. I prefer chicken thigh fillets. Some people prefer chicken breast, but in this particular one, they say chicken thigh fillets. Most of the time I won't be showing you the food, but I'm going to do a dress rehearsal for this meal because it's the first meal that we're doing. So I am just going to show you what the food looks like as well. 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, which is, where'd it go? Here. 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. By the way, I'm going to be using a lot of measurements. I think I said 1 kilo. I am going to be speaking in metric measurements. So if you are from America, you might want to do conversion for some of these things that I'm talking about. Yes. So then 1 1/4 cups of water. 5 tablespoons of brown sugar. And 1/4 cup of tamari, which is like a Japanese soy sauce. And I could find this in Australia. I could find this just at Coles. Other grocery stores are available. Sometimes I will find things that I need to go to an Asian specialty store for. But I could find that in a grocery store. Maybe if you're in another country, you can also find that in a grocery store. 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Okay. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And sesame oil is optional. You don't need to do this, but a lot of the time people cook with rice. So this is 3 cups of freshly cooked rice. I'm just using long grain rice for this. And all in all, that's going to serve 4. Now, I have made this before and it serves a lot. There'll be leftovers. I eat with 3 and there's always a heap of leftovers that we can have like a whole nother day. So it's a generous serving of 4. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. That's all you need to know. Comment with any questions and I'll answer them below. And then we'll be right to go for the live feed on Thursday, 4 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. And then we'll start cooking together. So this will be really exciting. We'll see how it goes. But thanks so much for joining. Feel free to subscribe to see the live feeds videos come up. Or if you can't watch it live, then you'll be able to see it in your feed. Give it a subscribe and a like if you liked this content. But we'll see how it all goes. Thanks for joining me at the start and the launch of Global Thursdays. Thank you so much. Goodbye.